this baby.
They say, come fly with me, let's fly away.
Dude, Michael's definitely let some go.
This is YouTube lighting, boys.
Yeah, I mean, that's exactly what it is.
How's it?
Dude, that looks great, actually.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Street Brawlers Muscle. I am Adam. That's Michael. And today we are building some custom motor mounts for the Mustang because the ones I got in there, the stock ones, they have ripped apart because of all that torque, baby. What you laughing at? Just took the mount out. This was the culprit. Didn't even pull them apart. It just came out in two pieces like this. Okay, you can tell the difference in them by looking at the angle here. So if you look, we got about an inch of space right there, and here, inch of space right there, but here on the incorrect ones from the auto store, you can see it's like half an inch. So that's the difference between a long and a short mount. These are the correct ones. This one's junk, it's going back. And it's kind of sketching me out because this is supposed to also come from a 72 Mustang convertible, but the hole's slightly different, but we can work with that as long as the angle's correct. So hopefully it all works out. Alright, so we bought this metal here, and we're going to use this in combination because I don't want to hard mount it because I'm a bitch. And we're using this. This is a mud flap. But it's thick rubber, so we're going to slice and dice it and use it to pad some vibration on these identical motor mounts.
Alright, so there we go. We got our supporting bracket, one of them made. The only thing I'm going to do now is just take off some of this extra material here that's not going to be needed.
Get that shit out of here.
So that it conforms.
Look at that.
And looks pretty nice.
Give them the side angle.
Yeah.
And then that stuff is going to go under here, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so it'll go here, and then if we need more, we'll put it on top. Because we don't want to lift the engine up too much.
Science. So, all four are done, looking pretty. They're gonna get ready for paint. Right now, they're just chilling here, cooling off from all the big boy heat. Next up, the rubber for these boys, made out of that boy. So we got nice, smooth rubber here. We need 1.25 by 1.25, and then 2" by 1.25. So. And that's gonna go right into these boys right here. Boom.
And then we can make more.
Boom. And then we're just gonna assembly line it and make.
Yeah, we
only need 4.
We only have to make 2, and then we can put those pieces onto this, and then just cut the edges, and then we
stencil.
don't have to measure again.
Stencil McGee out here.
Exactly.
Chip, chip,
Stencil
chip,
McGee.
chip, chip,
That's what they call me.
Burn out.
Ow! That's really hot.
I got rubber on my hands.
Ow!
Hey, tamale!
Hot tamale! Alright.
Alright. Now we're going to put these in with those reinforced buddy old boys that we made, and we'll see how she works. We're not just drilling straight through it because we think this little fabricated strat right here is going to do a better job of reducing vibration, but if it turns out it just sucks, then we'll just drill on that right through the rubber and call it a day.
Yeah, you're gonna have to. No, we welded these.
Hammer.
I don't think they're gonna move.
Hammer.
Alright.
Michael, what are you watching on these things? Tell me.
This?
What have you watched on this?
Pornhub.
Yeah.
Oh, gee.
Alright, so there's the motor mount in. You can see the reinforcements there. They look pretty good, not gonna lie. So hopefully she holds up and hopefully the vibration isn't insane. We haven't put any rubber in it yet, so if the vibration is freaking nuts, then we'll put that rubber that we cut out earlier in here. But for now, we're just gonna send it.
Well guys, that was us installing the motor mount. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have anything to say, any suggestions about, you know, us beefing it or any of that kind of stuff, let me know in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you later.